Alright, so trying to get this out of the box, and as I was talking about before, this is super awesome. I got it at a very good price. I'm sure it won't be the same when you guys try looking for it on Banggood. The RC sailors are saying that the prices are going up pretty soon, so probably should go get yourself some stuff before it gets sold out. Now, I don't know why I can't get this out of the box. It's unbelievably stuck somewhere, but you know what? I don't care about this box anymore. This box is getting it, guys. It's usually a carefully unboxed. This is already destroyed, so I won't be keeping this box anymore. I just want the thing to come out. Very excited about the cool thing that's in here. Wow. Ishin.
Likey.